Thanks for clicking. Hi. So today I'm going to be opening up an Ipsy Glam Bag. Yay! Yes, yes. The subscriptions are just coming in fast and furious. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. It's a monthly subscription of $10.89. You gotta include tax. And you get 5 full-sized beauty products. This is the bag that they sent me. It's a little underwhelming, I have to say. You know, it has a little pink tassel, has a little logo on it. It starts off with a card, basically a quick view of what's to come. First up, we have an eyeshadow. It's Elle London. And this is in the color Willow. This retails for $14, which seems a bit much for just one color of an eyeshadow. It looks kind of eggplanty, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like nice eggplant color. And I'm just going to swatch it. Whoa, that's an interesting purple. So this is the Elle in the color Willow. It's called a burgundy crimson. I don't know how I feel about $14 though. I think they might have gone a little bit overboard with the pricing, but I do have to say it's a beautiful color. I'm not gonna lie. And the next item is Eyeko London Eyedo Liquid Liner, waterproof lash enhancing carbon black. This is a travel size and it goes for $9. This is what it looks like. It did exactly what it should have done. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. It is black. Next up, I got the Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara. Maybe it's Ciate. It's a mini Wonder Wand mascara. And this retails for $7. So this is what it looks like after it's done. I'm pleased with it. It's great. I mean, it went on like velvet, you know. Like, this is what mascara is supposed to feel like. So far, I am pleased. Everything in here is practical. It's wearable on a daily basis. I'm good. Next up, they got something for my lips. It's a Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And it's Star Mint and Glossy Balm. This retails for $10. That can't be right. Nope, it's right. This retails for $10. Yeah, it's good. Smells minty. Glides on well. But no, for $10, I don't think so. Not to say it's not good. It's just not $10 good. Last on the list is Hola Neon. I don't know if it's Hola or Hola Neon. This is a beautiful package. And it is a velvet liquid lip. And it's in the color DF. And apparently this retails for $12.75. Hola, babe. Oh, that's cute. Look. As soon as you open it up. It's a little message for you. Alright, well this looks like a decent color. It looks like it would actually match the eyeshadow perfectly. Wow. Hola Neon? Wow. I would never have picked this color, but it looks gorgeous. Thank you, Ipsy. Everything in the bag was awesome and so practical.
I like it a lot.
That's January's unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag. I got a grand total worth of stuff of $52.75 and I spent $10.89. And I'm very, very happy with everything that's included. I think I look great. Thank you, Ipsy. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll put a link down below. As you can see from behind me, I have a lot more stuff. So if you liked what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers!